Gari network, also known as the Gari coin, is once again starting to grab attention in the market, and a lot of people are asking whether this token has the potential to bounce back strong or if it's just another short-term pump. Let's break everything down in detail. Right now, Gari is trading around $0.0065, showing a major 24-hour pump of over 35%, with a weekly gain close to 15%. That's a sharp recovery from the recent lows, and it tells us that traders are starting to speculate heavily on Gari again. But at the same time, it's important to remember that this token is still far away from its all-time highs, which were well above $1 back in 2022 when it launched with massive hype. So why the sudden movement now? Gari is not a meme coin. It actually has a use case. The token is the official currency of Gari, which is one of the fastest-growing short video platforms, often described as the TikTok of India. The app has over 140 million downloads and millions of active wallets, which makes it one of the largest Web3 integrated social apps in the world. Users can earn, tip, and transact with Gari for content monetization. This is where the value of the coin comes from. It's a creator economy token designed to empower video creators, influencers, and their communities. Unlike many meme coins that are based purely on hype, Gari has real utility in powering an existing social ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the fundamentals and tokenomics. The current market cap is only around $4 million, which puts Gari in the very small cap category. The circulating supply is somewhere around 600 million tokens, and the maximum supply is capped just under 1 billion. This means there isn't unlimited inflation, but the large circulating supply does limit how high the price can go in the short term. Still, for small cap projects, it doesn't take a lot of new money to move the price quickly, which is why we see sudden 30 to 40% pumps like the one happening now. On the news and update side, Gari hasn't had any huge new exchange listings recently, but it is already listed on some major platforms like Binance, Huobi, and KuCoin, which gives it a strong base of liquidity. That's a big plus compared to other low-cap tokens that struggle to get noticed. Also, Gari, the parent ecosystem, has been actively working on new features, including NFT integrations, staking, and premium creator access, where Gari plays a key role. These developments may not make daily headlines, but they are slowly building long-term value for the token. For the future price prediction, short-term models suggest that Gari may see a correction back towards $0.0045 to $0.0050 as traders take profit from the current pump. But if the rally sustains and new retail money comes in, the first resistance sits around $0.008, and beyond that, we could see a retest of 1 cent, which would be a psychological level. If broader market conditions in 2025 stay bullish and Gari announces strong growth updates, analysts see the potential for Gari to climb back into the $0.015 to $0.02 range over the next year or two. Looking further ahead, if the platform expands globally and keeps its active user base strong, some long-term bullish projections put Gari between 5 to 10 cents by 2030, but that would require massive adoption and consistent delivery from the team. The key question everyone wants to know is Gari safe to invest in? The answer depends on your risk appetite. Gari is not as safe as top-tier cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum, because it's a small-cap token with a history of massive volatility. However, unlike many meme tokens, it does have a real ecosystem behind it. Gari continues to grow, creators are still earning and engaging with the token, and the staking and governance features provide some utility. So if you're looking at it as a high-risk, high-reward play, it can be worth a small speculative position. But if you're looking for something stable or low-risk, do like